Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? It's a warning for all of you, my brothers. The coin is completely fails down, so must watch this video and be safe from the loss now, my brother. This time, first of all, I'm going to show you the last 7 days chart, and absolutely I predicted it, and absolutely at the end I will give you update now. So this time the Filecoin last 7 days chart is on the screen, and minus 19.68% the price is fails out, so it's a very bad fails now, my brother. They are completely lost. But holder, as you can see, my brother, after a fail every cryptocurrency will take a very huge jump now. So I know, my brothers, to after this fail they will also starting for now. So I'm so happy to see this, and holders, be safe from the loss. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do, my friend, in upcoming time. But kindly, Filecoin holder, if you starting selling, so therefore the coin is completely fails down and they cannot take a pump now. So try to understand, hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the good time. I hope at the end of month especially they will give you a very good profit now. Let's see to what they do. But kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.